CK Birla Healthcare expands into Kolkata, West Bengal with the launch of its state-of-the-art Birla Fertility and IVF chain. Reported by Suman Munshi. 18th November 2021, Kolkata. Birla Fertility plans to expand its national and international footprint with over 100 clinics in the next 5 years, with an investment of over 500 crores rupees. CK Birla Healthcare launched its first comprehensive fertility clinic, Birla Fertility and IVF in West Bengal. It is situated at Ideal Plaza in Sharad Bose Road. The clinic will offer clinically reliable treatment, a price promise, and empathetic and trustworthy care to its patients. This launch adds to the existing presence of Birla Fertility and IVF (BFI) across Delhi, Gurugram, and Lucknow. With a legacy of over 50 years of delivering high-quality healthcare, the CK Birla Group currently has hospitals across Kolkata, Jaipur, Gurugram, and Delhi. Supported by state-of-the-art medical infrastructure and technology, these hospitals have pioneered several firsts and set many milestones in India's healthcare landscape over the last 5 decades. Commenting on the launch of the new facility, Akshat Sat, CEO CK Birla Healthcare said, while India is home to 23 million couples with fertility-related problems, less than 1% seek medical evaluation for their issues, primarily due to a lack of awareness. At Birla Fertility, our endeavor is to build awareness and access to reliable fertility treatment. After Kolkata, we plan to expand to other major cities and towns in West Bengal to build a network of 8 to 10 centers in the state. In order to reiterate our commitment to spreading fertility awareness in communities across the country, we will offer free OPD consultations.
They'll be offering the best experience to the patients who come to us. We will offer one of the highest success rates in the country to the couples who come to us. Our success rates are not only the best in the country, but they are neck to neck with the best in the world. Birla Fertility and IVF is going to offer the best infra. Infra stands for the buildings and the way we make our laboratories and our duties. We're going to offer the best infra in the country. Best equipment in the country have been bought, and they will be used to treat our male and female parts. Birla Fertility and IVF stands for comprehensive care, superior patient experience, most comprehensive patient experience, packages, compassionate care coming from the professional staff, and offering treatment with the best infra and equipment in the country and in the world. I'm sure if anyone who comes to our clinic, any clinic out of the 100 in the country, will have a very, very pleasant experience, superior clinical outcome, and they'll be very happy. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having you all around and giving me the chance to speak to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Tagar. Now that we know the pan-India presence of Birla Fertility, I would take the pride of introducing to you Dr. Shorin Bhattacharya, who is the center head for BFI, Birla Fertility and IVF, Kolkata. Dr. Shorin Bhattacharya is a renowned IVF specialist with 32 plus years of experience in India and across various prominent institutions in UK, Bahrain and Bangladesh. Some of his experiences include Tata Motors Hospital, Jamshedpur, the Conception Care Center and Avata Fertility Center, Kolkata, Kavitini Fertility Center, Hyderabad, and Chevron Infertility Center, Chittagong and Dhaka. He has extensive experience in the management of male and female infertility. Along with this, Dr. Shorin has carried out more than 6,000 IVF cycles with a very high success rate. He has been trained in fertility management from various reputed institutes in India and UK, including the distinguished John Radcliffe Hospital, Oxford, UK. Dr. Shorin, we request you to tell us more about your experience and journey as an IVF.
Thank you, Pranava, for giving a wonderful insight into the fertility, what we are doing, what class treatment we are offering. Just one thing I wanted to say is that, as Akshat also mentioned, we treat patients with all art and all science. When it comes to heart, I mean that every patient gets a personalized care when they just walk into our center, and we treat them as an individual and holistic, and give them the complete care they need. Because we see that infertility patients, they are suffering for many years and they are quite anxious. And we as a team of doctors, not only our doctors, we have put a team of nurses, counselors. We handhold the patient at each step of their journey through us and make sure that they are comfortable at each and every stage of the treatment. We go to such an extent that we understand what is their problem, and so that they can tell us without fear and anxiety, and then we offer them the appropriate treatment they need. They can make, here we give them the informed choices of treatment, what they can go for or not, just say what we want. We always put them first. Our patients are our first, and we always give them what the treatment that is best suited for them. Because we are always with them from first to last. The treatment we are providing, not just IVF, but fertility treatment as a whole. And here, Asad was saying that we are always very transparent and honest pricing also. Couples are counseled over here, and we are transparently we inform them, and we all take the decisions in a uniform way. And obviously, that is the office, and it should be ethical. We are offering affordable treatment packages to provide access to all these wider section of the society. Now, coming to Kolkata, as you know, that Kolkata is a medical hub and has got good treatment facilities with clinical reliable doctors. So we get patients from not only Kolkata but throughout West Bengal, part of Bihar, the western side. We get patients from Northeast and also from Bangladesh, Nepal, and from Middle East as well. So we are catering a wide section of patients with a multicultural, diversity, and we should know how to treat them uh, in a holistic way, a total holistic way, and that we obviously we are concerned about that, and we are offering that in our services. We already started getting patients from abroad also. Now, as our is a one-stop clinic, uh, and it is dedicated not only to IVF, we offer the whole range of fertility treatment, including the male and the female. And we proudly say that our male infertility treatment is one of the best in the country. We are always providing the different types of male infertility treatments over here, and we will be soon starting over here also the micro TC, which in Calcutta probably, to my knowledge, nobody is doing. We will be starting over here soon. So we are already, in a very short period, we are already getting good number of patients, and both male and female inquiries are pouring in, and we are looking very positive on this note, and we hope to give better treatment and better facilities to these needy patients who comes to us. Thank you very much once again for coming, sharing your time with us, and we look forward to your cooperation in the future. Thank you very much.